struggling with my hormones was bringing me down.
Before I found Age Rejuvenation, I wasn't feeling great. I had no energy. My hair was falling out. I was gaining weight, trying to figure out what I needed to do to make things better.
Things like ageRejuvenation offers are really the health building part of medicine to get you to a point where your body starts to heal itself.
Doing hormones such as testosterone or estrogen is effective in how you look. It helps to preserve and improve your collagen and your skin elasticity. Even cellulite is diminished when you have good testosterone levels.
When you start getting your hormones in balance, suddenly the weight's just falling off.
How are you doing this? You're 54 years old. How are you keeping that weight off? I do the testosterone therapy, and it's simple.
The great thing about coming to ageRejuvenation is they didn't look at me as just a number. They looked at me as an individual, and I was educated about every program that they have, including the hormone therapy program.
It's generally not just hormones, it's not just gut health, it's not just genetics, it's not just stress hormones. It's all of this combined with lifestyle, exercise, etc. So we don't ignore any of that. It's all part of our treatment plans.
The staff here is fantastic. They're staying on top of things. They're calling you and making sure to schedule things.
I'm just way happier and way more active and way healthier than I was.
You feel better about yourself once you start feeling better.
Some of the benefits obviously was it gave me a lot of energy. I've had nothing but a good experience here.
It's worked for me. It's worked really well.
And I'm very happy with who I am today.
Age Rejuvenation has truly changed my life, so thank you.